Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make geometric commercial building facade in SketchUp. Okay, first of all we have to make a basic shape. Okay, we have to make basic shape with a rotated rectangle. We can use rotated rectangle. We can set the size around 10,000 millimeter, and then we can set the length about the building around we can set it around 30,000 millimeter. Okay, and it's done. Or maybe we can make it shorten than before. We can select this line and we can move. We can shorten it around 10,000 millimeter first. Okay, then we have to push it up with a push tool around 300 millimeter. Then we can make group, and then we can make a basic shape of the building facade. We can make a basic shape of a building facade with line. Anyway, we can use line, and we can place on this. We can set the height. We can set the height around 8 meter. Okay, we can set the height around 8 meter, and then we can set the length of this envelope facade around 12 meter, and we can push it down. Anyway, we can push it down, and we got it. Okay, and then we can offset it outside. We can offset it outside around 400 millimeter. Okay, and then we can select line. Okay, and then we can push it to the back. We can push it to the back. And then we can make group. So then we can edit this. We can edit this envelope. Anyway, we can edit this envelope to explore our 3D model design. Anyway, then we can select this line. We can select this line, little line right here. So then we can select move, and we can we can set this line first. Okay, so we can move it to the another size as we want. Anyway, for example, we can move it over there. Then we can move it also this little line. We have to move it little with another position. We can move, and we have to draw the line first here. So we can select the line and move, and place on the another size, the another place as we want to make geometric envelopes exterior of the commercial building. Anyway, something like this. Okay, this is about the basic to make envelopes commercial building. So then we can explore more about it. We can explore more about it, and then we can select all this envelope. Then we can select this face. We can select this face. Then we can move. Okay, we can move it with another position as we want, because as we select this push, it's just only the outline, just only this surface that we would go around. So we have to select this area, then we can move, and we can place on the another side. Anyway, something like this. So it's the different between the move and push. Okay, then we can select all, and we can draw the line here. Again, we can draw the line here. So then we can move in on this simple line, and we can move it to the back just a little like this. So it is about the basic shape. Okay, and after that we can make the rectangle. We can make the rectangle to make glazing wall anyway. Okay, we can make it rectangle, then we can push it up. We can push it up until this, and then we can make group, and we can delete some. We can delete the top and the bottom face over there. Then we have to select this line, and we can move control and place on it. We can type b, for example, 8 slash enter. Okay, so we can check the distance between the line to the line. Okay, it's still matter. It still matter. Okay, we can move and duplicate the line to another facade. Then we can type 16 slash and choose enter, so it would be like this. So then we can make the another line anyway. We can make the another simple line on the place as we want anyway. I'm sorry. Or we can use this. We can use tape measure tool to make adjustment. Maybe we can set the height of the storefront or the door maybe around 3000 millimeter and 3000 millimeter on this face. So we can draw the line. We can draw the line right here to divide, to make a divide about the glazing panel over there. Okay, then we can set the material with the glass material. We can use this. Okay, and then we can use the color of this material. We can adjust the color, and we can adjust the darkness anyway. Adjust the darkness, and also we can set the another. We can set the another component maybe, or we can delete some unnecessary line first. We can delete some unnecessary line first. Then we can move it. We can move. We can adjust it anyway. Maybe something like this. Okay, so then we can make entrance. We can make building entrance over there. We can use line. Maybe we can use this line, and we can draw it like this. We can draw it, and then we can offset it inside. We can offset this with offset tool. We can offset around 400 millimeter, for example. So we can complete the incomplete shape over there. So then we can push it to the front like this. We can push it, just a simple movement anyway. Then we can make group, and so we can make the another structural system for just for a basic structure conceptual drawing anyway. So we can figure out that this is about the beam. Okay, can make group and this. We can figure out that this is a beam of structural system. Okay. It's just like this maybe anyway. Okay, and then we can make the another canopy with a rectangle. So then we can push it to the front. We can push it to the front anyway, and push it to the here, a little bit here, and so we can offset it inside and push it just a little bit, and we can make the another. I'm sorry, we can offset it again. So we can offset it again, something like this. Then we can push it down until maybe we can set until like this, and then we can draw the shape in here. Okay, maybe we can just draw this shape with line, and it's my group, and we can make the another support anyway, and maybe we can make the another support on it. Okay, and we can use this. Okay, it just for example anyway. So then we can make the another plane anyway, and we can make the another terrace area on it, and something like this. So we can make the line over there, can offset it. Okay, you can offset it and push it down and just make group. So this is just for simple modeling, not for detail, but we concern from this modeling to make a basic shape of modeling, to make an impression in SketchUp. Okay, so then we can set concrete material over there, or maybe we can use this, or maybe another, maybe we can use stucco white anyway. So then we can make a simple landscaping over there with this tool. You can use line anyway. Then we can use a 2-point arc to make a curvy. So we can offset it right here. Then we can make 2-point arc to make it curvy, and also we can use 2-point arc also here to make it curvy also. Make group, and we can just select the landscaping and throw the landscape right here. And also we can make the landscaping right here. We can use a 2-point arc tool. It's just a simple modeling anyway, not for detail. It's just for example to make an impression with the fast way anyway. Okay, so then we can add a component. Maybe we can use 3 material. We can use 3 material, and we can make it smaller. So we can set the color. We can set the color, and we can set the transparency of this tree like this. Then we can move and duplicate it. Okay, I think it's enough. It's about the monochromatic exterior design, about the geometrical exterior design in SketchUp, commercial building design in SketchUp. I hope it will be of benefit to all of you to make a fast impression, about this commercial geometrical facade of this commercial building. So it's just basic. I hope you will develop this. With the another standard of material and construction, or structural connection, and many more. It's just basic, but to make a good design, we have to make a great basic first. Okay, after we make a basic impression of this building first, so then we can develop it. Without the basic impression, without the basic great impression of the building design, we cannot develop anymore. We cannot develop anything to make a perfect building design anyway. And okay, I hope it will be benefit and give a lot of inspire to all of you, and make your work easier than before. And wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.